Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will tell and show you how you can convert any of your videos to audio on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get to our topic. And to begin with, I want to say that this is quite a convenient and interesting feature. If you want to use some audio from your video or saved video, you can simply extract the audio from it and then do what you want. So, first of all, on your iPhone, find and open an app called Shortcuts. And now you will need to create a new shortcut. To do that, tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. Next, in the middle of the top of the screen, tap to rename it. Next, rename. And this is where you write the word you want to name your shortcut. Next, done. Next, at the bottom, click on the letter I. And here you turn on this option here, Show on Share Sheet. Done. Now at the top, click right here and clear. Next, turn on Media Only. Done. Now you'll need to click on the search bar. Type in the word encode. Then you'll see Encode Media. Click on that. And now when you click on this sign right here, you will need to click on Audio. You can also change the format here if you wish. Next, you'll need to enter another word into the search box. And that's Save. And here you will select Save File. After that, basically, the shortcut is ready and you can save it. Next, exit the shortcuts, go to the gallery. Select some video that you would like to change. Then at the bottom, click Share. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find your already created shortcut at the very bottom. Click on it. And you'll need to wait a little bit of time for it to spin up. Then you'll need to choose where you want to add it, which folder you want to add it to. Then you select the folder, then you click Open. So as you can see, this video will be added to your Files app. Now you open the Files app. Next, you find the folder where you saved this audio. And now if I turn it on, as you can see, there was no audio in the video. And now I can, let's say it to myself. And then I can send it, I can rename it, I can save it and so on. So that I can use it and put it on some videos. This is how you can convert absolutely any video to audio on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.